In recent years, drones have become a central weapon on the battlefield, forcing militaries to devise new forms of defense. China has emerged as one of the countries investing heavily in counter-drone systems, pursuing a layered strategy that combines both hard and soft measures. In a July 2025 exercise in Inner Mongolia, China showcased an integrated counter-drone network linking its air and ground forces. The system goes beyond traditional surface-to-air missiles and anti-aircraft guns, incorporating directed energy weapons such as lasers and microwaves, alongside more flexible methods like net-launching drones or drones designed to intercept other drones. One highlight was the OW5 laser system, mounted on a combat vehicle. It can lock onto and destroy a drone almost instantly with a near-invisible beam of energy. Its key advantage lies in having virtually unlimited ammunition, as long as sufficient power is available. With swarming drone attacks now a common tactic, lasers offer a low-cost, high-efficiency solution. In parallel, China is developing high-powered microwave weapons. The Hurricane 3000 system can unleash intense bursts of energy, likened to 1,000 microwaves at once, capable of frying drones within a 3,000-meter radius. Such technology is particularly effective against swarm tactics, where the sheer number of drones can overwhelm missile or gun defenses. On the more conventional side, China relies on the HQ-17AE and Tianlong 100 surface-to-air missile systems. The HQ-17AE, dubbed a low-altitude hunter, is designed to intercept drones flying close to the ground, while the Tianlong 100 extends coverage to 100 kilometers, with the ability to target drones, fighter jets, and cruise missiles. Conventional anti-aircraft artillery and man-portable air defense systems still provide a last line of protection against small drones. Other mobile solutions have also been tested, such as large drones equipped with net launchers that ensnare smaller enemy drones mid-air, forcing them to crash. While low-cost and simple, such methods add flexibility to more advanced technologies. Together, these capabilities illustrate how China is building a multi-layered anti-drone shield. Long-range missile defenses, mid-range missile and gun systems, and close-range tools such as lasers, microwaves, and drone interceptors. The strategy blends kinetic weapons with electronic and electromagnetic disruption, designed to counter increasingly complex drone threats. As modern warfare shifts toward unmanned and intelligent systems, these countermeasures underscore China's push for a comprehensive defense posture, one it hopes will withstand the saturation drone assaults expected on future battlefields.